Grok AI, that used to be a free video tool, is now requesting a subscription before you can generate videos. I don't know which free AI tools to use.
Right, let me check. Seriously, Maya, Google silently dropped their own tool. It's called Flow. It's incredibly effective. You can go check it out.
The video you just watched now was generated by one AI free tool. This is no joke. So today, I'm going to show you how to use Google Flow to generate high quality AI videos. Now, it does not even stop though. It has sound. You can actually add your own voice. You can actually add any sound you want to add, okay? You can add, your AI will be able to speak with this AI tool. So all what you just need to do is to log in with your Google account. Currently, Google Flow does not have any app. So what you just need to do is to log in with your Google account.
You are going to type Google Flow. Like I said earlier, it does not have an app. So this is the one you choose, the first one. You see Lab Google, http://Google. So you open it. You will see launch Flow. You open create with Flow. Now they'll ask you to choose your account, to choose your Google account, the account you want to choose, okay? So when you use the account, you tick this two. Now remember, you're a new person, so you have to go in. Now for here, you scroll down. When you scroll to the very end, this place will click on continue. Okay? Like I said, Google Flow will give you free AI credits. So you tap on this your Gmail sign, you see it now, free 150 credit, refreshes daily. So
every day what Google do is that they will give you 100 AI credits for free, so you can use it and generate your video, so you don't have to miss free things. This 100 AI credit will help you to generate your video. So if you're just starting out and you want to see, okay fine, let me just keep posting my AI contents one after another, you can actually start with Google Flow. Another best part that I love about this tool is that Google Flow can also generate your image. So generate the image, you just want to click here, you take it to image, change it to image, okay? You can either choose 16:9 or any aspect which you want to choose here. You can also choose, but let me choose this one, okay? One time, and 0 credits will be needed. So I will type my prompts. To just wait for a few seconds for the prompt to be generated for you. The image has been generated, so you can go ahead and you save the image and use. So that's how you can generate your image. So there's no need for you to go to another app and generate your image and bring it in. No, do everything inside Google Flow. Generate your image, generate your scene image, generate everything image that you want to use, and also animate with Google Flow. Number one way you use Google Flow is from text to video. Yes, you can just give a simple prompt like this, and it will be changed, transferred to a video like this. Simple. So another unique feature of Google Flow is frame to video. Yes, you can actually send a frame of picture like your image, and it can actually change it to a video for you, just like something like this.
You tap on new projects, okay. Another most important place you need to actually look is when you are generating your videos. Video, each 7-second video you generate will take 20 AI credits, so you need to be very sharp. Now, this particular place talks about how many times you want that video to generate. Is it 1 time? Is it 2 times? Is it 3 times or 4 times? Now, since we are managing our credits, we are taking it to 1 times, okay? If you say 4 times, that video will be generated in 4 places. Is it you that will go and choose which one do you like? And if it is 3 times, it's in 3 places. Now, we don't have enough AI credits, so we just have to check it, make it generate and in 1 time, okay? So we choose 1 time. Now for the model, you can come here, you can see different models, VEO 3.1 fast, 3.21 light. So whichever model you want, each model will attract fee. Now if you take this model to VEO 3.1 light, okay, let's, for instance, we are going to spend 10 credits. If you take it to video 3.5, you are spending 20 credits. And if you take it to quality, you are going to spend 100 credits. So since we are still managing our AI credits, you are going to keep it at either 1 or 2. whichever one is and that. Okay, so we're going to keep it phrase, we're going to keep it at 1. Okay, we are managing our case, we have to be very calculative. Now this 9.16, it is only 9.16 and 16.9 talks about your aspect ratio. Now if you want your aspect ratio to be in shots, like you want to produce short reels, you take it to 9.16. If you want to produce a YouTube long video, it will take it to 16.9. So that's that for this video. As you progress, you'll see how we use frames to generate video and ingredients to generate video. Fine. Now we get over to image. When you go to image, you see different aspect ratio. The same thing is applicable to image, and you also have to choose the model you want to use in your image generation. Okay, so here, before now, you must have gotten your prompt. We pressed it. Okay, I will try to describe Sam, the young man on black hoodie. What am I giving this description? On black hoodie, colon, semicolon. Okay, so you've seen it. Okay, so you've seen it. Now this is what I just want this Sam, the guy on black hoodie, to be the one talking. So that's why I actually have to describe how it looks. You give it some few minutes, give it some few seconds, also give it some few seconds for it to generate. And when that's done,
Seriously, Maya, Google silently dropped their own tool. It's called Flow. It's incredibly effective. You can go check it out.
So
Seriously, Maya, Google silently dropped their own tool. It's called Flow. It's incredibly effective. You can go check it out.
So you can go ahead, you save this to your gallery. Save the video to your gallery, and that's just how it works. So you go ahead and generate as many video as you can.
So currently, I can actually say that Google Flow provides the best free AI tool that you can actually use to generate your videos. So if you have used Google Flow before, let me know in the comment section. And if you are using it for now, and if you are new to it, generate your video and share the links. Let me see what you have done with Google Flow, and hit the subscribe button so that anytime a video come up, you will be notified. And let me know in the comment section which other AI tool do you want me to review next for you and how to use it. Let me know in the comment section. See you in my next video.